Alright guys, we're back with part 2. Lizard just went in our last video. If you haven't seen it yet, you can check it out. It's
Skeleton Spidey!
Oh boy. Skeleton Spidey's up. No time for talking. Who's he gonna pick? Which car?
Can I just wreck yourself?
Oh, where's he going?
Come back here. I want to
Oh, he's
wreck
picking
you.
the black Dodge Viper.
I just want
looks
to
nice.
wreck you.
He's going in the black Dodge Viper, guys.
He said, I just want to wreck you.
Whoa, he is pumped up. Here he goes. Huge jump straight out of the gate. Whoa, he's gonna land on the ramp and jump off the huge ramp. Whoa. Flipping around town, all the way up and down and around. Here he goes. He's going really fast and far. Can he make it? I don't know. It's gonna be close. It looks like maybe he can. He's going on the table across the lacrosse stick. We've got Bowser watching here. Oh, he's rubbing on Bowser.
He's
Tickling him. Oh, there he goes.
You're just a mean guy, Venom.
Flying off the
He said,
wall.
I'm just a mean guy. You're just a mean guy, Venom. He said.
Okay, and he's gonna go past the dishes in the sink and he's off to the finish line. I think he's gonna make it. So far, we've got 2 good guys, a bad guy, and a good guy. 4 good guys have made it, and this one was Green Goblin.
So there was 4 good guys that won, and
1 bad guy.
we just have 1 more good guy and 2 more bad guys.
Yeah. All right, who's up next?
It is Vulture.
Vulture. Can I get a good look at Vulture? Let's get a good look at him. Whoa. He looks cool. I wonder who he's going to pick. I think he's going to pick a green monster truck. There's so many to choose from.
His favorite color is green, but he wants to find one with green, black.
That'd be cool. Dragon.
He wants black tires, a green top, and the white
This is kind of that kind of has a black tires and a green top.
This one is the same one that I just asked.
Oh,
5 alarm.
here he goes.
This monster truck is called 5 alarm.
I don't know. You think he can make it? It's going to be a big jump.
Papa.
Uh-huh.
This 5 alarm monster truck lost its ladder. The ladder goes
Oh, the ladder.
right here on these thingies.
It's okay. He's probably going to get wrecked in this race anyway. Whoa, look at him. Yeah, right off out of the gate. He's going to fall in the water. Whoa! He's off the course. He's not on the course. Well, there he goes. Oh boy. Keep him going. Come on. Go, go, go. You got this. You can do it. He's moving slow. Turn on the nitrous. Jumping across the ramp. There he goes. Go, go, go. Okay, I'm watching.
That's not really fast, right?
I don't know. He's starting to get faster. There he goes. Off the wall. He's stuck. He needs to use his nitrous.
He's running out of gas.
He's running out of gas. He's going to fall in the water. Hurry. Bowser, why are you biting his pants?
This is a gas station. Gas, gas, gas. Gas and gas and gas and gas. He got more gas!
There he goes. Off the counter. He's going to make it. It's so close.
And he made
Yes, he made it. Well, I don't know if we should be saying yes because he's a bad guy. He's Vulture.
So there's 2 bad guys that won and 4 good guys that won.
Yep.
Stop, Bowser, please.
Bowser, leave him alone.
Okay.
Silver Spidey.
Woo!
Let me get a good look at him.
Ah! Come on, I don't like pictures.
Well, he's gonna like this one because he's gonna be famous.
And say the words too.
Okay, here he goes. What's he getting in? Which car? He picked a silver Porsche Boxster. Silver Spidey.
He picked it because it's silver
Uh-huh.
and he's silver.
I know, that's what I was thinking. Whoa, close the door. Here he goes. Close the door. He's gonna fall out. Come on, Silver Spidey, close the door. You gotta get on the track. Hurry.
Close it now.
Time's running out.
Closed it now.
Whoa, he's about to jump it. And he's in the car. Look at him. No! Oh. Did he, like, fall out? No, I think he's in it. Oh, he's getting back in. All right, here we go. The race is back on. There he goes. He's actually looking pretty good so far. He made it to the couch. Oh, he fell out again. And he's back on the track. He skipped the balance beam. He's rolled over. Oh no, he fell down. And his car fell down. He needs a parachute. Did he lose or he's back in it? Oh, he's using his webs?
And he's in with his web.
Oh, so he's used his webs to get back on the track. Man, he might actually win. See if he'll come in. He fell again? He keeps falling. Oh, he's used his webs again. He's back on it. Come on, you got this, Silver Spidey. Go, Silver Spidey, go. Off the tent. Oh, he skipped the tent. He used his webs. He swung right to the wall. Oh, now he's back on the tent. What's he doing? This is the craziest racer I've seen. Now he's sliding on the wall. What is he up to? Is that a surfboard he's on? Oh, he's hanging on. He's back in. He's on the wall. Now he's going around the corner. He can make it, I think. He's got him following him. He made it! Yes! He did it!
He's pushing it.
He is. He's pushing it. Bowser, what are you doing? He wants to see too. You want to watch too?
And he won.
He won.
Now you Venom after Venom. We have to start it all over again.
We do, because...
But with different cars.
Oh.
Because we have not a lot of...
So many cars left. Venom's up this time. Let's see what he looks like in the camera. Ooh, look at him up close. Whoa, look at that tongue. And all that scary
And this is
Venom teeth.
And this is Venom's dog.
It is?
Just joking.
All right. Venom needs to pick his monster truck.
And he already did.
He did? Which one did he pick? Oh, that's a nice one. Blue tires, black wheels. I like that one. Lightning bolts all over it. That one's nice.
With a monster on it.
Yeah. Here he goes. Go, Venom, go. Uh-oh, what happened? He fell down?
He fell down just like Miles.
Why?
He just fell down right here like Miles.
Oh, boy.
And we're gonna start it all over again.
What you got in here? What are in these cubbies?
So
Swords.
in this cubby, there's my milk control, my dinosaurs, but this
Who's
cubby-
this?
Carnage. The Carnage dog.
Carnage?
He looks like he's doing electric car. What?
Oh, yeah, he does. Man, what's in here?
Dinosaurs.
All dinosaurs?
But those dinosaurs are too big for this. So
Which one? This one? Whoa, you're not kidding. He's huge. Here, hold him so we can see how big he is. Whoa, he is big. Does he make noise?
Yes.
Whoa, that's cool. And his neck lights up.
And look at my T-Rex. I have a T-Rex too.
Whoa. He's
and he
huge.
can make noise too. See? And you can put this thing up. See? You can
Wow.
put that thing up and you can...
Oh yeah, that's cool. Holy cow.
Those are my two dinosaurs. Okay, let's keep playing now.
Okay.
Let's start it all over again.
Okay.
This is the second round.
The second round. Coloring books. Are you setting them all back up?
Yeah, I'm trying to find where they go. Is that where they go?
Yeah, that's perfect.
And I know the bad guys where it goes. Okay, first is Spidey. Again.
It is.
Papa, sing those words and watch.
I'm watching. All right, Spidey's up. What's he gonna pick? I wanted to pick that red Lamborghini Aventador.
But he just picked this
That
one.
one right there.
But he just picked
Oh,
this
he
one.
picked that one? Is that a Zenvo? I think that's a Zenvo. Or is that a Maserati? That's one of those new Maseratis. Is he ready? There he goes. Oh, straight to the ground. Must be too heavy. Is it too heavy?
Yep.
Where's he going?
I'm putting this car back in the
Oh, he lost?
cars, people get out of their cars, they lost.
Oh, okay.
That's funny.
Now it's time for a bad guy. Which bad guy is it?
The same bag.
That vampire guy again?
Yeah,
Let's get a good look at him.
No!
No, you don't want to look at him this time?
No.
Okay, pick his monster truck. Oh, this would be a good one for him. Oh, that'd be a good one for Venom. It looks like Venom. Oh, he's picking Toro Loco?
Mm.
He's still looking around. He's got so many choices. Max D? That's kind of cool. What'd he pick? Bigfoot.
There's three Bigfoots. This ride one, this monster truck one, and this ride
That's cool.
skeleton one.
Here he goes. Vampire. Riding in the Bigfoot. Oh, he made it. So far, he's the first one to go this far. Here he goes.
He got stuck like Green Goblin.
He got stuck again?
He got stuck
The
like
vampire
Green
never got stuck
Goblin.
before. He got stuck like Green Goblin. Whoa, look at that. Look at underneath, it's all shiny. All chrome. Oh, he got out. He fell all the way down to the ground. I think yeah, he lost. All right, now we're back on the good guys. We need to pick a Spider-Man. Which one are we picking?
Miles again.
Let me get a good look at him.
Oh, sure. I love pictures.
He likes pictures. Not like vampire. Whoa, he looks cool. Okay.
Papa, Miles likes pictures, but Silver Spider-Man doesn't like pictures. Even Scarlet Spider-Man doesn't like pictures.
He doesn't.
So Papa.
Uh-huh.
So these are the ones that like pictures. Okay?
Okay.
And these are the ones that don't like pictures.
Okay, perfect. All right.
And all the bad guys just don't like pictures. All of
Okay.
them.
He's got to pick a car. There's so many nice cars. I think I'd probably pick that BMW. I don't know, maybe that McLaren,
What?
Lamborghini, Diablo. Ooh,
what he's
that
gonna
Ford GT police car would be cool. The Batmobile? No way. The Batmobile. He picks the Batmobile out of all these race cars. Here he goes. Whoa! All the way to the ramp. The Batmobile's stuck. It's too big. He picked a car that was too big. I hope he doesn't go in that water. That's a tub full of water. Whoa! He's still in the race though. Not a very good start, but he's still in it. Now he's starting to show some promising racing. Here he goes. He's looking good so far. What happened? Did he fall? What happened? He fell down? What's he gonna do? Is he stuck? Talk to me. What's going on?
I'm a loser.
He lost? Oh no, it's okay. Sometimes you lose.
Papa, do
You gotta
know
just
why?
try again.
Papa, do you know why?
Why?
Because he fell so hard that his car got on fire.
Oh, okay.
That's why he said I lose.
That's not good. So he's going in that tub over there because he lost. Who's next? Who? A bad guy? Okay, the bad guy's up. Which one? Hunter, let me get a good look at him. Ooh, there he is. Hunter. He needs to pick his monster truck. Pick your truck, Hunter. There's so many choices.
He did this one.
Oh, he picked which one? Let me get a look.
This octopus.
Oh, octopus. He picked octopus. Okay. Let's go. Come on, let's do it. Time to race. Hunter is in the race with octopus. Jumps off the chair. He's on the ramp. Looking good so far. Can he go up it? Can he launch it? Let's see if he can launch it. Launch it, launch it, launch it, launch it, launch it, launch it, launch it. He did? He lost?
Yeah, because he didn't have enough gas. He didn't have enough gas.
Is he stuck on the ramp?
He didn't have enough gas.
Oh, he lost.
Yeah, and he didn't have enough gas.
Okay. So he's got to go in that tub?
Not the car cup. No one won this number 2 round.
I know.
Number 1. No one.
Number 2 round, nobody's won so far. We need a winner.
But Papa.
Yeah?
Papa. This fire spider is excellent as driving really fast.
Is he?
So he's gonna keep winning, keep it winning, and keep winning, and keep.
All right, well, let's see which car he picks. He's got a lot of choices. Oh, he picked a Land Rover Defender. Okay. Means he can get over a lot of bumps and humps. And he might be able to jump that ramp pretty good. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Time to race. Land Rover Defender on the ramp. Goes up. Launches off. Looking good so far. There's Bowser. Then he jumps over here. There's Nina on the chair. Whoa, he's going to make it to the couch. He's on the couch. He's going to keep going. He's going to go on the balance beam. That'll be an extra 10 points. Man, he's looking good so far. Down the chair. Whoa, he's over across. Look, now he's turning up the speed. Here he goes.
See, I told you he's excellent at driving fast.
He is excellent. Look at him go. He's so good. Whoa. Hey, wait up. I can't even catch you. The cameraman can't keep up. Let's see. Whoa, he won.
See, he won again.
He did. Let me see what he looks like next to his car. That looks good. He's a winner.
Rhino.
Rhino. Rhino's pretty good. What's Rhino gonna pick? Pick your truck, Rhino. Pick your truck. Come on, Rhino. What's Rhino gonna pick?
Ouch!
Oh, he tried to pick that one, but he got
Ouch,
hit with the
ouch.
horns. What are you thinking, Rhino? Man, he can't make a decision today, can he? Rhino, you gotta pick something. There's so many choices. Look at all these trucks. There's just so many. What's he looking
I
at?
know.
Oh, that's a good choice.
Lightning!
Lightning, here he goes. Whoa, he jumped the ramp. He didn't even do the ramp. He's setting the balance beam back up because it got knocked down. Now he's jumping around. This lightning one's crazy. Whoa, lightning! Lightning, wait for me. I can't keep up. Oh, lightning, hold on. I'm getting dizzy. Oh, here we are.
He won.
Lightning Rhino. Good combination. Good guy's turn. Bowser's sitting near the finish line, just waiting for somebody to finish. All right, who's up next? Oh, come on, pick one of the cool cars. Pick that Lamborghini Aventador. There's a white. Oh, pick that Porsche GT2 RS. Oh, he picked a Camaro. Transformer Bumblebee Camaro. That's fast. That is fast. Is he ready to go? There he goes.
You said it's really, really fast.
Really fast.
Faster than all the cars?
Yeah. Woohoo! Wow! Look at him go! Wow! That was so fast I couldn't even keep up. Where are you? No, I don't see you anywhere because the car was just going way too quick. Oh, here we are. He already made it to the finish line? That was the fastest one. I think he was faster than everyone I've ever seen.
It's a lizard.
Lizard again. Lizard's in our part 1 video.
6, 7.
Alrighty, Lizard. Let's get a good look at him.
Here it comes.
Lizard.
Here's my little Nina.
Come on, Lizard. Pick something. Pick something good. Pick something fast. Pick something really, really fast. Lizard. Ooh. Lizard picked that. I thought Lizard was going to want this dragon. I don't know why. I just felt like he was really going to want that dragon. But he ended up picking this one. With evil eyes. Pretty cool looking. Let's go, Lizard. Let's go. Let's go, Lizard. Let's go. Let's go, Lizard. Let's go, Lizard. Let's go. Lizard didn't do good. What's Bowser doing over there? He's waiting for somebody to finish. Lizard didn't make it, did he? Nina, what are you doing? All right, then who's up next? How many more good guys are left?
3.
3 of them?
And the 3 bad guys.
All right, let's go. Scarlet Spider. Ooh, Scarlet Spider. Pick what you like. Pick what you like. Somebody pick one of those cool cars. Nobody's picking the Porsches. No one's picking the Porsches. Oh, he picked one. He picked one. A blue GT2 RS. That thing is fast. Twin turbo V6 Porsche. Let's go.
Why are you?
Because that's the sound it makes. That's the turbos. Go, go. Whoa, he jumped that. That was so easy for him because he's in a super fast car. Come on, you can do it. Woohoo. Keep it going right off the wall. Yeah. Man, I want him to win. He's gonna win. He's doing so good. Woohoo! Scarlet Spider is the fastest time so far. Go, Scarlet Spider. Go, Scarlet Spider. Yeah, Scarlet Spider.
Hi, Scarlet Spider. Hi. Look at it!
Hey, I thought they were friends. Scarlet Spider has the fastest time so far
He punched.
in the Porsche.
He punched that
GT2
Spider-Man. Why
RS.
did he punch that Spider-Man?
I don't know.
How would this be?
All right, next up is a bad guy. And it looks like it's going to be the old Green Goblin. We know he likes green trucks. So what do you think he's going to pick? He's looking around. Is he finding anything he likes?
Green.
Oh, he picked a green Stegosaurus monster truck. And he's off. Here he goes. He's jumping off the thing. Onto the ramp. Up the ramp. Green Goblin's doing good so far. He's going around the town. Can he make it? Oh, he's stuck. He can do. Oh, he fell. I think Green Goblin's not doing too good today. What do you think? On the lacrosse stick balance beam. Well, you're not going to miss this truck. It's nice and bright. All right, now he's going to go over this way. Get ready. Here he goes. Go, go, go.